Welcome back to Corporate Corridor. We're talking about the tire industry of Pakistan today, specifically about General Tyre and their operations in Pakistan. We're joined by the CEO of General Tyre, Mr. Mohammed Shahid Hussain, and we have been talking to him about the overall industry, their role in Pakistan. But it is that part of the show. We will go over to some of the problems which the industry has been facing. Now, Mr. Shahid, on and on, we've been hearing about different problems which do exist in our economy, and one problem, especially which local industries such as yourself have been facing, is the fact of smuggling, which is taking place. And we do see brand name tires being smuggled into Pakistan, being sold at cheaper prices, and as a result, the hard work and the amount of investment which local industries have made in Pakistan, that sort of goes to waste. So what are your thoughts on that, and what are some of the recommendations or some of the sort of help that the industries have been seeking from the government of Pakistan?
Well, this then is a very, very serious issue, because on the one hand, the government wants to help the industry. That's what they're claiming. Yeah. So we believe that. On the other hand, we have this menace of smuggling, which is primarily happening because of this, and I'll be very blunt about it. It is all because of Afghan transit trade. Okay. And it's a very open secret known to everyone. Yeah. But still, we are closing our eyes on that specific issue. So yes, we have been going to the government, particularly before in the last 3-4 months, we have made very consistent efforts to go and explain our situation to the government, that this is like killing us. Because on the one hand, we have made all the investments to cater to the needs of the local market, and we have very competitive prices. We have very good tires to offer. No reason that, if there is a level playing field, yes, if the good brands are being imported through proper legal channels, yeah, we don't have a problem. I mean, we are not afraid of competition, because we have good tires and we know we can sell. And in spite of this smuggling, we are selling, by the way, and grown in the last 1 quarter or so, as I said. But you cannot continue like this. So this menace has to be stopped. Smuggling is happening day in, day out, and if you go to our dealers or even the open market, you as media can go and check it out yourselves. Market is flooded with smuggled tires. Absolutely. And likewise, I think we are not the only one being hit because of this. There are other industries which I can mention. Tea, for example, is another area. I think even in textile, tobacco, all these are being hit because of Afghan transit trade.
All right. Mr. Shahid, have talks been initiated with the government? Have they showed willingness to cooperate? Have they said that they will be looking into the problem? At the same time, they're saying these things. On the other hand, the Afghan transit trade, that could potentially pose a problem. So how do you look at the situation?
See, we have, as I said, we have been talking to them. They're listening to us. They do acknowledge that, yes, this smuggling is happening, and it is a problem for the industry. What happens then is anybody's guess, because the Afghan transit trade is going to be signed, I think, somewhere around September, October this year. So from where we come, we are telling them or requesting them that, these are our issues, and if you don't do anything about it, it will end up, hampering the growth of the industry and the profitability of the industry. The most important thing which is being ignored here is that all these industries that are suffering because of smuggling, if this proper channel starts following, then government exchequer will get a lot of people into TaxNet. True. There is billions and billions of rupees to be collected if this Afghan transit trade smuggling stops. True. So that's what they should focus on.
We certainly hope, and in our continuing program, we surely shall be focusing on that particular aspect as well, and surely asking the government as well as to what their standpoint on this is, because the local industries are being affected drastically as a result of this. Also, since we're coming towards the end of the interview, Mr. Shahid, I would like to ask you now, we've spoken about all that General Tyre has done in Pakistan. You've expanded, you've introduced a new range of tires. Going forward, scenario seems to be good in the fact that interest rates are coming down. Hopefully, consumer credit offtake will start again, and we'll see more sales of cars, and as a result, the economy of Pakistan hopefully shall start improving as well. Now, one question, we did talk to certain people before coming over to the interview. They were saying that, since General Tyre is a high-quality tire manufacturer, they're in all sorts of segments, and General Tyre is manufacturing tires for light vehicles, commercial vehicles, tractors as well. Motorcycle segment, which contributes about 70% of, let's say, the vehicles or the transport in Pakistan, you're not manufacturing tires for that. So any plans in the future, or any particular reason why not?
I'll just take a couple of minutes to explain what our strategy has been. See, when we came into Pakistan, this was like 45 years back, we came into what we call high technology tire manufacturing. So motorcycle tires is not something, high tech. It's a very simple technology, and one can embark on that tomorrow, particularly our company. But the motorcycle tire industry or market was very small initially. It has been growing over a period of time, and today, yes, it is the 9th largest motorcycle market in the world. So this is, I think, the right time for entrance of, or having 2-3 players and good competitors in the market. So we have our feasibility ready lying with us, but we'll see when the timings are right for us to enter into this market. But we first want to stabilize ourselves into this automotive tire manufacturing industry.
All right, and we hope and certainly wish you all the best, Mr. Shahid. Thank you very much today for joining us in Corporate Corridor. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
That was the CEO of General Tyres, Mr. Mohammad Shahid Hussain, today joining us on Corporate Corridor and talking to us about the overall tire industry of Pakistan, what role General Tyre has been playing and what the future perspectives are now. Through the course of the interview, you were made aware of the fact that there has been massive amount of investment being done by all sorts of local industries, including the tire industry of Pakistan. We certainly hope and wish all the best to our local industries, because these are the industries who have taken out time and have put in all the effort to bring Pakistan on the global arena, and we certainly wish them all the best. That's about all from this week's Corporate Corridor. You're more than welcome to write to us at corporatecorridor@dawnnews.tv for any suggestions or feedback. Till next week, from me, Zain Sohrawardi, and the rest of the Corporate Corridor team, it's goodbye for now.